जय श्री कृष्ण, जय राधे कृष्ण. There was a miser saint. He lived his life very stingy. He used to spend less than what he needed. One day it came to his mind that worship should be done. But he again thought that if he would recite the worship, then he would also have to pay for it. Then he thought, why not do the worship recitation mentally? In this there will be no cost. He used to give child Krishna a mental bath every morning and would make him sit on easy. He would perform their arti and heat milk for them and mix sugar in it and offer into them. This was his daily rule. He did not do any kind of negligence in this. He would get up in the morning and he would regularly worship Balkrishna ji mentally. He was feeling very good because he was not incurring any kind of expenditure and worship was also being done. Thus many years passed by worshipping him. If anyone follows his rule firmly, then that rule becomes proved. One day, Sethji got late in getting up in the morning. Now he got up in haste and he got worried that he had not yet offered God to God. He quickly got out of the bath and got Balkrishna ji mentally bath, then gave them easy and gave them incense stick in their mind. Then he went to the kitchen in his mind and heated the milk, quickly put in the glass and put sugar in it. That's it. Is used to add a spoonful of sugar every day. But that day, due to haste instead of 1 spoon, he put 2 spoons of sugar. Now, Sethji started getting worried that instead of 1 spoon, he had put 2 spoons. 1 spoon was lost. While he was thinking all this in his mind, even in mental worship, it was taking a spoon more for him. Now in his mind, he was taking out that 1 spoon of sugar from the milk and Balkrishna ji was watching all this. Balkrishna did not live with Ji and he appeared and he grabbed Sethji's hand and said, hey brother, I have not seen a devotee like you who is enjoying his heart and is doing so much in it too. Put 2 spoons of sugar in it. What cause for you, but I am happy with you because of your devotion and complete faith. I give my full devotion. Thus the life of that Sethji become blessed and sad is very happy. Thank you.